How to activate Santander Bank Debit Card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be providing you with a step-by-step guidance on how to activate your Santander Bank Debit Card. So let's get started. Your new debit card along with the personal identification number (PIN) will be dispatched to you through the email in discrete envelopes within a delivery window of 5 to 7 days. To enhance the security measures, your card and the PIN will be dispatched separately to you. And once you have safely received your replacement debit card through the mail, you can then proceed to activate it using one of the 3 available methods. The first method entails dialing the designated numbers as listed on the official Santander Bank website, adhering to the instructions provided over the phone. And alternatively, you can also choose to activate your card by visiting the nearest bank automated teller machine, that is ATM, where you will need to input your personalized PIN. And it is imperative to have your PIN readily available before initiating any transactions in your credit or the debit card. So the third method empowers you to activate your card through the mobile banking application itself. Simply navigate to the Google Play Store and download the application and follow the outlined steps for the activation. Thus, we have covered all the necessary steps for the activating your Santander Bank Debit Card. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.